My dear, I had which ones? Which one? Which one? हाँ 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 चलो अथर्वा करनी बिल सेट you can you asked you you asked see all of you mute the micro हाँ so tomorrow yesterday we have done only 6 no so recording has taken place no that I have not recorded no I told you so that you try to get it from जैनिक छेड़ा will send you चलो ठीक है जैनिक छेड़ा you help हाँ now all of you mute the microphone now second अरे my dear let me start no हाँ हाँ today I will say हाँ what percent of mute the microphone 54 is what percent of 54 is 9 अरे wait no my dear you are not allowing me to speak you are not allowing me to write how the things will go and then you are telling me sir send me the video we are sending the everything no wait no have some patience what percent of mute the microphone yes what percent of 54 is 9 so how we solve this we write let see what I am writing that I am speaking also so you listen properly and write properly I am telling you let so it is let afterward 5 minutes somebody will answer what is that first so what I am writing that is what I am speaking also you handle both the things together what percent of 54 is 9 so we write let now we are writing the solution what percent of 54 is 9 so now my dear mute the microphone no mute the microphone allow me to speak what percent of 54 is 9 so the question is this is the question mark what percent of means what percent of 54 what do you mean by of multiplied is means what percent of 54 is means equal to so write down no you have to understand the question no what percent of 54 is equal to 9 this is the question what percent of 54 is equal to 9 of means multiplication wait no wait अरे wait no my dear wait let see now no more questions should be asked please enough no I will not send any video several time I am telling you that I am going to send the video you are keep on asking sir are you going to send me the video what is this please have some I have sent the video yes let x percent write down let x percent of 54 let x write down everything let x percent of 54 be 9 let x percent of 54 be 9 so now we are framing the answer what percent let x percent so that means x percent of means multiplication 54 is equal to 9 correct so what do you mean by x percent What do you mean by x%? What do you mean by x%? Use the formula. X upon 100. So x upon 100 into of means multiplication of 54 is equal to 9. So this 54 is, I can write 54 upon 1. Anything in the denominator, the value does not change. 2 I can write 2 upon 1. 2 I can write 2 upon 1. So now this is the basic rule. A upon no, my dear. Cross multiplication we do in case of addition and subtraction. Which sign is there? Multiplication. Cross multiplication. So now what is the basic rule? A upon B into C upon D. So whenever there is multiplication, we multiply numerator to numerator, numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. So whenever we have multiplication, we multiply to numerator to numerator. Okay, with red it is. Let me write. Yes. Yes, no problem. I will write with black only. Yes. So now there is a basic rule. This basic rule you have to remember. That is A upon B into C upon D. My dear, we cross multiply whenever there is plus or minus sign, but it is multiplication. So whenever we have to multiply two fractions, we multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So what is numerator A? What is numerator C? So that will be A into C upon B into D. We multiply to numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So what it will be? Tell me. So that will be x into 54, numerator to numerator upon 100 into 1 is equal to 9. Correct? So now 9 I can write 9 upon 1. 9 I can write 9 upon 1. Now what you will do? Yes, so you will get 54 into x, that is 54x upon 100 into 100 is equal to 9 upon 1. 9 means 9 upon 1. Now you have to cross multiply. Now my dear, we will cross multiply. Now we will cross multiply, no? Because there is equal to sign. Are you getting? So whenever there are two signs, whenever there are my dear, multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator is equal to 9. 9 I can write 9 upon 1. Board is clear. Yes. It is very much clear, my dear, right? Now, no, from our side. Now we have to cross. We have to cross 54x. Wait. Now we cross multiply. 54x into 1 is equal to 100 into 9. Wait, no. 9 into whenever next, my dear, next part I will write, no. So 54x is 9 into 100. With the microphone, 54x is 9 into 100. 9. So now to find x, now there 54 is in the multiplication. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. So next part 54 will go in the denominator. 54 is in the multiplication. So x will be 9 into 100 upon 54. 54 will go in the denominator. Now you cancel. Now you can cancel 9, yes, 9 6 are 9, 9 6 are 54. Then you have to cancel 100 by 6. So that will be 100 upon 6. 100 upon 6. So now, you can cancel them by 2. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Then 52s are 100. Cancel 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 6 are 54. Then 100 upon 6. 100 you can cancel by. So x is 50 upon 3. X is 50 upon 3. Yes. So now write down this. Divide 50 by 3. Divide 50 by 3. Divide 50 by 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Then 20. 3 6 are 18. Then 2 is left. Remainder is 2. So now this I can write in the mixed fraction form. This I can write down in the mixed. This I can write down in the mixed fraction form. Yes. So this I can write in the mixed fraction form. So x is equal to yes 3 into that will be 16 into 16 is to 2 upon 3. X is 16 is to 2 upon 3. Yes or no? So we write final answer. What percent means? So final answer is 16 by 2. 16 is to 2 by 3%. So we write down the percent symbol. So 16 by 2 by 16 is to 2. 16 by 2, 16 is to 2 by 3% of 54 is 9. Answer is 16 is to 2 by 3%. So this is the answer. 16 is to 2 by 3%. Got it? So what percent means x percent. And we apply the formula. There it is cross multiplication. And whenever there is no my dear, my dear. It is what percent. So you have to follow that method. Don't do directly. Yes. Let x percent of in the question what is asked, what percent of 54 is 9? We assume let x percent. This x we have to find. Let x percent of 54 be 9. X percent of means multiplication. 54 b means equal to 9. X percent means x upon 100 into 54 is equal to 9. 54 I can write 54 upon 1. Now it is multiplication. Wait. It is multiplication of two fractions. Numerator, denominator. So whenever you have to multiply two fractions, we multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So x into 54 upon 100 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 I can write 9 upon 1. So 54x upon 100. Numerator. No. Whenever you have to multiply two fractions, you have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 54x upon 100 is equal to 9 upon 1. Whenever you have equal to sign of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. Whenever there is equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. This to this, this to this. So 54x into 1 is equal to 100 into 9. Now 54 is there in the multiplication. 54 is there in the multiplication, it will go in the division. 9 6 are 54, 100 upon 6, 100 I can cancel by 2, 50 upon 3, divide 50 by 3, 16, then remainder is 2, so this I can write 50 upon 3, I can write in the mixed fraction 16 is to 2 upon 3. So the answer is 16 is to 2 by 3% of 54 is 9. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. You can write directly. You can write directly. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Second, what percent of second? What percentage of 250 is 75? What percentage of 250? This is the answer, no? 16 is to 2 by 3% of 54 is 9. This is the answer of first, no? So what percent of 250 is 75? But, second one, B. This is B. What percent means? X percent, we assume X percent, and this X we have to find. This we put the question mark. X percent of 250 is means equal to 75. Now we frame the equation. So let X percent of 250 be 75. So now frame the equation. X percent of means multiplication, 250, B means equal to 75. Now what do you mean by X percent? X upon 100 into 250. 250 I can write 250 upon 1. 250 upon 1 is equal to 75. So now simplify. This is multiplication of two fractions, numerator upon denominator, numerator upon denominator. Whenever you have to multiply two fractions, B. Whenever you have to multiply two fractions, we multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. We multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. I am speaking also, no? So you go parallelly, write parallelly. Oh my dear. You go, So multiply numerator to numerator, So again, so that will be X into 250, upon denominator to denominator, 100 into 1 is equal to 75. 75 I can write 75 upon 1. So wait, no my dear. So X into 250 into X, 250X upon 100 is equal to 75 upon 1. 75 upon 1, whenever there is equality of two fractions, we have to cross multiply. Whenever there is equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. Numerator to, yes. Everything you have to do. So 250x is equal to 250x into 1, cross multiply, into 1 is equal to 75 into 100. 75 into 100. So 250x is equal to 75 into 100. So now 250 is there in the multiplication. So 250 will go in the denominator, division. So x is 75 into 100 upon 250. Now you can cancel them. You can cancel 70. 0, 0 you can cancel, no problem, okay. Then 75 you can cancel with 25, 25 3s are 75. So what is left? 3 into 10 is left. So x is 3 into 10. X is 3 into 10. That is 30. So x is 30%. So 30% of 250. My dear, how 75 by 5? 1 0 get cancelled. Then 25 table, 25 3s are 75. Answer is 30%. You can clearly see, no? So you can clearly cancel 75 and 25. Yes. Right click. You can cancel 75 with 25. So we write the answer. 30% of 250. 30% of 250 is 75. My dear, you write no, I will do it no, according to my convenience. Why are you telling me rub this part or don't rub this part? That I will decide. Take it. So B we have done. So 30% of 250 is 75. 30% of 250 is 75. So everything we are doing systematically. We are not. Now third, C, I am writing all the question and then you tell me. C, what percent of, I am writing the question, what percent of, with that we'll see, what percent of 25 meter, what percent of 25 meter is 500 centimeter. Now in this units are different. One is meter, other is centimeter. So you have to convert meter into centimeter. Yes? So how you will convert meter into centimeter? Tell me. Yes, tell me, my dear. 100, yes. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, correct? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. See, the answer will be wrong. Because this is meter, this is centimeter. So first step is you have to convert meter into centimeter. So question will be of this type. What percent of, write on this. 25 meter will be 2025 into 100, 2500 centimeter is 500 centimeter. This is the question. Are you getting? 25 meter becomes 2500 centimeter because you have to convert 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so 25 meter will be, write on this. So now these units are same, centimeter, centimeter. So what percent of 2500 centimeter is 500 centimeter? So we write let x percent of 2500 centimeter is 500 centimeter. Let x percent. This meter you have to convert into centimeter. If you proceed with 25 meter, you will get wrong answer. So x percent of means multiplication 2500 centimeter is means equal to 500 centimeter. So now we apply x percent means x upon 100 into 2500 centimeter upon 1 is equal to 500 centimeter. Now this is multiplication of two fractions. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. That will see though. That will see. In the denominator we take 1. Yes. So multiply two fractions. Mute the microphone. Multiply two fractions. So multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So that will be, my dear, x into 2500 centimeter upon 100 into 1, mute the microphone, is equal to 500 centimeter upon 1. Mute the microphone. So 2500 centimeter into x upon 100 is equal to 500 centimeter upon 1. Now you have to cross multiply. You have to cross multiply. So 2500 centimeter into x into 1 is equal to 500 centimeter into 100. 500 centimeter into 100. Yes, mute the microphone. So 2500, my dear, centimeter into x is equal to 500 centimeter.